Hello everyone, I'm back and what I'm going to do today is unbox this package, and what I have here is from Belle Femme beauty products, and I'm so excited because I was asked to be their hair and skin model. So I'm going to open this. There are a lot of goodies in here and I can't wait to get to them. So here goes. Let me get started. Wow. And I'm really excited about this because this company is from an area near Houston called Sugarland. So let's see what we have available. Okay, right. Okay, this says here, thanks so much for submitting your beautiful photos for the Belle Femme Beauty Model Call enclosed or the following. The brand ambassador kit includes Belle Femme hair care system, Belle Femme bath and body collections. Wow, there are a lot of products here, so let's keep going. Let's see what else we have. Let me go ahead and move on this. All right, let's see. What is this? Okay. Boss, thanks. All right, and of course, we all need water for the hydration of our skin. These are all natural and pure products. Wow, love the wrapping. Okay, let's see what the first product is. Belle Femme Pure and Natural Luxurious Products. And we have here, let's see. Aha. Okay. Goodbye, dull, brittle, discolored gray hair. Managing and maintaining vibrant, healthy gray hair just got easier. So in this package, right here, this is the clarifying gray pre-treatment. Okay. And this is a 3-step regimen for curly girls with gray hair. Okay, and the next product, this one, it gently removes the dirt, oil, and toxins that cause buildup and dullness to gray hair. Okay, so this is the cleanser. It's an intense hydration cleanser right here, and I think, okay, and this is a conditioner, shine enhancing conditioner, and this one is a clarifying gray pre-treatment. All right, okay, that's the first box. Let's see what else we have here. Isn't that pretty? Look at the packaging. This is beautiful. Wow, love it. Okay, let me open this one. Okay, in this package we have Okay, hello, beautiful. Enjoy. And this is from Angel. Angel Cornelius is the founder and CEO of the company. Okay, we have a bath sponge. All right. And here they're oatmeal and honey luxury soap. Okay. Smells great. Goat's milk and honey luxury soap. Wow, smells good as well. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, or you can set your coat in this little soap dish. And what else? Okay, and a body butter. This is pomegranate kiss. Wow. That smells delicious. Oh my goodness. Almost like you can eat it. It smells so good. Okay, well, these are the products. Okay, that's everything that's came in the box. Okay, and I'll show it here again for you. Right here. All right, and the body products. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try each and every one of these and I'll get back with you in a future video. Okay, so stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.